Today we're working on 4.7 as we get to convert kilograms to grams. Okay. Grams and kilograms are a unit of weight. And I would say a gram itself is about the weight of a paper clip. So very light. If you've ever held a paper clip in your hand, you might have a sense. So 1 gram equals the weight of a paper clip, about the weight of a paper clip. Okay. So it's a unit of measure, of weight, a measurement of weight here. Okay. Converting kilograms to grams, I think the power in converting kilograms to grams, it's another way to, I guess, sharpen our multiplication skills that we've been working on. Sharpen multiplication skills. It's really important to actually to start having some of these conversions memorized. Memorizing conversions, just so you have them in your mind, okay? The beautiful part about grams and kilograms, the word kilo is a word that means um, 1,000. So when you hear the word kilo, it's a Greek suffix or prefix that means 1,000. Okay. So when you're thinking kilograms, it means 1,000 grams. So it's just as simple as a gram equals, I'm sorry, no, 1,000 grams equals a kilogram in this case, okay? Um, so just think of like a thousand, I guess, paper clips. Let me see what weighs a kilogram. What weighs a kilogram? Like a household item, I guess. Um, Something that you would know. Oh, well, yeah, I guess a liter of water, so like that big bottle of water that I've had, is about a kilogram. A loaf and a half of bread, 7 apples is about a kilogram. So just to give you that idea of a pineapple is about a kilogram if you've ever held a pineapple. So the way to find this, so if you're going to get these charts like you've seen in the past, where you'll be converting from grams to kilograms. So it looks something like this: grams and kilograms. Um, Kilograms. Okay. So you'll get this idea of maybe like how many grams is 3 kilograms. Okay. So really you're multiplying 3 times 1,000, 3 times 1,000. And if you remember, I had that old trick of, you have your decimal in this place. 3.000 is the same as 3. Okay. So in this case, when you're multiplying by 1,000, it's the same as moving that decimal place over 3 times to get to 3,000 in this case, right? So 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. So 3 grams equals, or 3,000 grams equals 3 kilograms. You might even see, let's see, you might even make sure if you're going back and forth, right? Oh, okay, good. So remember, you want the grams are going to be much higher than the kilograms just to check yourself, right? Let's say you have something like, I'll do this in a different color just so we're very clear on what this is. Let's say you have something like 3,800 grams, and you've got to convert that to kilograms, right? So the idea here is, I'll go ahead and clone this. Well, I won't. So 3,800 grams, 1,800. Basically, you're dividing by 1,000 in this case, and when you're dividing by 1,000, okay, you're moving that decimal place. So the decimal would be hanging out here, right? If you're dividing by 1,000, you're going to move that decimal place backwards 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And that decimal is going to end up right in that zone right there. So 3,800 grams is going to turn out to be 3.8 kilograms. 3.8 kilograms in this case. Okay, because I moved my decimal place when I divided it going this way. Okay,